Now, I've had a request for animal impressions, yeah? So I've got a very needy pussycat who's taught me how to do this. And I've got several dogs and they've taught me to go. And I've got chickens and they go. And I can do birds, they go. And horses go. And sheep, now important thing with sheep is you don't go bar, you go meh, right? So it's like this. And I'm good at sad cows. You keep your mouth shut for this one. You go. Yeah, so please support Compassion in World Farming, guys, because that will help all them sad cows what you just heard. Yeah, bye.